concern?
I think once again this comes back to how you define profitable. If you define it in the traditional sense of making money and only profit, then we have a long way to go. On the other hand, and also with gas prices being as low as they are now, it's not going to be pursued as actively as it would have been when gas was $4 a gallon. But on the other hand, if you look at the income from alternative fuel sources being that we're not emitting as much greenhouse gas and that, we're harnessing these natural resources we have that don't necessarily do damage to the environment. I don't think harnessing Ada's wind power is going to hurt anything, I think we're at a point where we need to think about what profit really means and what cost really means, so it's a very hard question to answer.
They're also pursuing actually wind power that I read or heard about recently, that they're contemplating on putting along the coastline because the winds are really, really strong there, and the wind power would generate through underlying wire to actually the coast and spread out through. So they actually are pursuing additional sources of energy. It's just that we have to build a base for that before we can move on to that. The same thing happened with oil. We had to, a long time ago, we had to create a base before it became profitable, whatever you define as profitable. So.
Any more questions?
Yes, I heard. Is when you're thinking about building a wind tower or something? ONU. I heard there's some project or something.
There's a capstone group in the engineering college that is looking at, I think, the feasibility of putting wind turbines on ONU's campus, but that's about all I know.
There's also, they're working in conjunction with business students to do the cost effectiveness of it.
Right.
From what I understand, it looks like it's actually feasible, and they're doing a survey right now, sending it around, seeing what the citizens of Ada would think about it.